Hi, I'm Lacey from Sleep Foundation. In our test lab today, we have a weighted blanket by Bearaby. Weighted blankets have grown in popularity in recent years. Many people find that they help reduce stress, calm anxiety, and promote a sense of calm. With a weighted blanket, you get gentle pressure that's similar to a hug or like being swaddled like a baby. And for some, this can be incredibly therapeutic. The Bearaby blanket we're reviewing today is the Cotton Napper, and it's their flagship model. So in this review, we'll unbox the blanket or unbag the blanket, take a look at how it's made, and we'll tell you why this blanket is one of Sleep Foundation's top picks. If you like this review, please like and subscribe. And if there's a product you'd like to see us review, hit us up in the comments below. Okay, let's get into it. Bearaby was founded in 2018, and they produce breathable and sustainable weighted blankets. We're reviewing their Cotton Napper throw blanket today, but their products also include the Napling, which is smaller and lighter and geared for children. They also sell weighted blankets that come in queen size, a travel size, one made from velvet, and a moisture-wicking tencel material. But as we said, this Cotton Napper is their flagship, and it's also available through the Bearaby website and at third-party retailers like West Elm, Pottery Barn, and Nordstrom. First impressions, right out of the bag, the brand sent us the Moonstone Gray version of this, and it's not quite a white, but a subtle muted take on white, like the moon. Get it? Now, the Napper is available in 4 other colors, a darker gray, a rose color, a midnight blue, and a cloud white. But this Moonstone Gray is a nice neutral color that should fit well in most living room or bedroom decors. So this blanket is available in weights of 10, 15, 20, and 25 pounds. A good rule of thumb is that a weighted blanket should be around 10% of your body weight, so let that be a rough guide for choosing. For example, a 150-pound person should opt for the 15-pound version. The brand sent us the 15-pound version here. Depending on the weight you choose, the size will vary. These are meant to be throw blankets though, so the sizes range from 40 inches to 48 inches wide and 64 inches to 72 inches in length. As you can see, the look and the feel of this is chunky and it is rather cozy. It sort of feels like it could be made from your favorite knit sweater. I actually do have something that looks like it's made out of the same material. The woven material is made from a blend of certified organic cotton and spandex. And we should note too that the cotton here is sourced ethically and sustainably, so it's a great option for eco-conscious consumers out there. Organic cotton and spandex are also very durable materials, and this blanket feels sturdy. So you can expect to get several years out of this without it stretching or otherwise losing its shape. It is stretchy, so it stretches, but it's not going to stretch and stay stretched. This woven design also helps even out the weight distribution of this blanket. Some weighted blankets are filled with those plastic beads, and over time the fill can shift and lead to an uneven blanket. You shouldn't have a problem here because there are no beads. One of the other things to note about this design, the open and chunky weave here makes this quite breathable. In fact, when we tested this blanket in our test lab, we found that it was terrific for providing the weight you want from a weighted blanket. But air could flow through this weave, which means our testers didn't overheat while using this. I shall demonstrate. It is 15 pounds, I'm gonna tell you that. This has very good airflow. On the other, it's probably not going to keep you super warm on those cold, crisp nights. Like, I'm very comfortable right now, but I don't feel hot, which I feel like is a positive. And you might need to pair it with another blanket. This is one of the pricier options on the market, but for the money, you get a stylish, breathable weighted blanket that should hold up really well over time. And it should look great draped over your couch or as an accent blanket on your bed. And as a result, this earns one of Sleep Foundation's top picks for a weighted blanket. Before we go, let's take a look at some of the outcomes from our testing. The Bearaby features a high quality and even fill. The chunky knit offers exceptional temperature control, but again, it won't have much warmth for cold nights. And finally, the blanket is woven using a durable and thick yarn, which means it should hold up well over time. If you're interested in a Bearaby blanket for you or someone in your family, head over to sleepfoundation.org to read our full review and get the latest info on discounts and pricing. We'll put a link in the description box below. We've also put together a list of our top choices for weighted blankets, and we'll put that link in the description as well. That's it for our review of the Bearaby Napper weighted blanket. Thanks for watching, and sleep tight.